Those are my front stairs. My foot is about 2 feet deep into the snow. Oh my god. And we're just taking Spike out to pee. Hey, go ahead, Spike, go pee pee. Spike, come here. Where are you going? Spike! Spike! Come on, buddy, go pee-pees! Goodness. Go pee-pees. Good boy. Such a good dog. Where are you going? You like the snow? Where are you going? Spike in my first winter. This is my front porch here. Was. You ready to go inside, Muffin? Yeah? Want to go inside? Hey, Spike. So we found out Spike likes the winter. Want to go inside? Where are you going? Someone already... come here! Don't go under the car. Somebody already shoveling snow. There's going to be another 3 feet of snow tomorrow morning. There's my car there. Snowed in. Okay, let's go inside. It's cold. Come on, Bubba. Oh! Foot. Hi, Spike! You gonna go down there? You gonna go down there? Go ahead. Go inside. Come on. Avalanche! Here comes Spike. Go ahead. He's a good boy. Good boy, Spike. Yay, Spike. Come on, baby. Oh. Good. Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Oh my goodness. I need a fireplace. Are you stuck? Oh my god. Come look at Spike. Oh, you missed it.
Oh my god.
He's a snow dog. Poor guy.